Okay, so we're about to take a look at the hot side. This is the first time I've installed it outside of the engine bay since it's all been welded. So here we go. Okay, so here we go. Oh, twin Garrett turbos, 76 millimeter GT 4294Rs that are modified with the 76 millimeter compressor wheels. Got the teal tile housings there, 4-inch downpipes, 2-inch primary tubes. Left room there for the spark plugs and spark plug wires, 3-inch collectors, and so that's the idea. You know, I can get in there, change the plugs, easy installation, everything clears. So I've never seen it done before, but this is a complete, 4-inch exhaust that, clears everything as configured. And so really, that was the idea. I wanted to set out to design a system where I can run these huge turbos and have plenty of room for these air filters right here and be able to drive the car without really having a lot of compromises built in. We're going to run this fast LSXR HR intake and flex fuel with Pro EFI. It's going to be a lot of fun to drive. So now the next step is finishing up the wastegate. We're going to put the wastegates on each side here, so they're both really close to the boost control solenoid, and that'll make us dyno ready. Put the pickup tube in the oil pan. Press on the pulleys, put the water pump on it, alternator. Don't need those things really for the dyno. Actually don't need any accessories other than just put the harmonic balancer, and then we got to put a couple fittings based on the best location for the oil drains. We're going to get the Maven Motorsport support brackets that are going to bolt directly to the frame, and so we're going to bolt the compressor wheel to the compressor housing to the frame, and then the Maven Motorsports. And now we get to move on to finishing up the cage and other things. So the idea here is dyno the engine, get it broken in, and then a nice bass tune on there. I mean, making power, running great. So it's ready to fire up once it's installed. And hopefully by that time, we'll have all the fabrication work on the car complete. Complete the roll cage, everything else, and then we'll do the cold side once the engine is installed. So I want to finish up all the rest of the fabrication, and then maybe some paint and body work, considering restoring it back to the original color, but haven't decided yet. But that's my setup.